Good day, everyone. It is Monday, so we are starting with our English activity pack. Please remember to write your name on top of this worksheet. For today's English activity, year ones, we are looking at prefixes and root words. Okay, so year ones, a root word is a word that can stand on its own. It will make sense if you read it on its own. A prefix on the other hand can't. So for this activity, all you have to do is underline the prefix and draw a circle around the base or the root word for each word. Okay, we will do one. So read. Okay, our root word is read. Okay, and the one that does not make sense on its own is re. Okay, and down below, disloyal. You'll see that loyal makes sense on its own, but this doesn't, so we underline it. That is what you have to do for today's English. Then we move on to today's Maths COE, Year 1. Please make sure that you write your name on this activity pack and we open up on today's Maths. So for today's Maths Year 1, we are looking at bar graphs. So all you have to do, again, it's revision Year 1. We've done this before. Look at the different forms of transportation and color the same amount of bars on this bar graph. Then you take the information you've entered here, and you draw a tally chart. Okay, just remember that when we draw a tally chart of 5, it means that you'll draw four stripes and you will cross it out with 1/5 line. Okay, then we move on to today's science year 1. So please get your science activity pack out and write your name on this activity pack. Okay, once you've done that, year ones, open up on Monday and let's look at what we have to do for Monday. So, for Monday, year 1, we are looking at our senses. You've got 5 senses, okay? So, you've got sight, okay? You use your eyes. You've got hearing, where you use your ear. You've got taste, where you use your tongue. And you've also got touch, where you use your hands to touch. And lastly, smell, where we use our nose to smell. Your ones, we only have 5 senses, okay? So, what you have to do for this activity is complete, okay, the sentences using the words down below. I see with my eyes. So you will write eyes and full stop. That is all you have to do for today's science. And that's basically all for today. I will be back tomorrow.